Want to skyrocket your video's views? Your thumbnail is the key. Transform viewers into subscribers with a single image. Hey bestie, welcome to my channel, and if you are seeing me for the first time, I am Linda Tony. I create educational content and you want to give this video a thumbs up. And for my returning subscribers, thank you for always coming back. Your girl is grateful. So let's get right into the topic of today, which is how to create a unique thumbnails for your YouTube videos. I'm going to give you a step-by-step process on creating your own unique thumbnails. So the first step here is research and inspiration. What do I mean by research and inspiration? You want to analyze popular thumbnails in your niche. Note the common element and style used by those popular creators on their thumbnails. You identify popular trend and colors used on thumbnails, not just to creators in your niche, but creators on other niche. Step 2, choosing the right dimension for your thumbnails. Since you are creating a thumbnail for your YouTube video, you want to ensure that the thumbnail size is 1180 to 720 pixel while maintaining a 16:9 aspect ratio. Before I create a video for my YouTube channel, what I usually do here is I just scroll on the field of my YouTube. I just scroll around to look for an inspiration of thumbnails. Most times I don't really get thumbnails from my niche. I just see a thumbnail that I like. I try to create that thumbnail to fit in my own style. What I always do is that I try to get a picture of my thumbnail before I make that video. Unlike before, I don't bother about thumbnails. I didn't even know the seriousness of thumbnails and the impact of thumbnails to my video. So what I'm going to say is that if you want your video to do well here on YouTube, work on your thumbnail. Your thumbnail is everything. It's the first, it's everything. Work on your thumbnails. Take your time to create magic on your thumbnails. Step 3, design your thumbnails. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you 3 methods on how to design your thumbnails. What you want to do here, you want to select a high quality background for your thumbnails. If you're making your thumbnails, make sure that the background you're going to use for your thumbnail is very eye-catchy, or the features you're going to be using on your thumbnails are very eye-catchy. So you want to do that by selecting a high quality background for your thumbnails. Open your Canva, then you're going to see different features here: the home, the project, the plus sign for new project, template, and that. Click on the search bar and type in YouTube thumbnail template. You're going to then see varieties of thumbnails here. If you notice, some of these templates has a crown image at the left hand side of the image, the template. Those ones are the pro feature, so you don't want to click on those ones except you have subscribed for the pro feature. But if you did not subscribe to the pro feature, there are many free options here. You can just click on any one that resonates with you, or you feel to replicate, you can just click on them and work on that. So let's just say we pick this particular template. So now we want to recreate this template to what we want. You want to upload your own high quality background. You're going to click on replace. Click on camera roll to upload your background picture. Your background is uploaded. What you're going to do next, you click on camera roll to bring in your picture for your thumbnail. So this is the image I'll be using for this thumbnail. Adjust the image and place it where you want it to be on your thumbnail. So let's delete this text. Next, I'm going to adjust and remove the background of this picture so it will fit into my thumbnails. You notice here that the BG remover has a crown feature on the image on it. This shows that this is a pro feature for Canva. If you are not subscribed to the pro feature, you can't use this. But you can remove your background with other apps such as InShot and CapCut to remove your picture background. What we'll do next here, we are going to delete all this right up on the thumbnail because we don't need them on this thumbnail. Adjust it to place it wherever you want it to be. Anywhere you want your picture to be on your thumbnail, just place it there. For me, I think I have to place this in. Next, you click on text. You click on add a heading. Writing the title of your thumbnail, whatever you want to write on your thumbnail, just write it here. You also want to mix the font size to highlight key information in your video. Then if you want to play around to change the font type of your thumbnail, you can still go back to that text. You can click on the subheading, you can click on any of them there. Look at, you have fonts here, you have style here, you have font size, you have color. Change it, play around it, be creative with it, and do whatever you wish or feel like doing on your thumbnail. To add in an image, you click on elements, then you're going to click on the search bar for the image you want to use. For example, here we are going to search for Facebook logo. And so many options are going to pop up. You go for the one that doesn't have a crown. That's if you did not subscribe for the pro feature. You're going to select this image. You place it in any position in your thumbnail which you feel it's okay. So you just add in more feature just to beautify your thumbnail. Let's do that right now. This is one of the example I'm going to show you guys. I'm going to show you more too. So this is the outcome of this particular thumbnail. Step 5, adding visual elements. What did I mean by adding visual elements? You add visual elements to make information clear to your audience so that once someone come across your thumbnail without too much write-up or too much wording or too much sentence. Someone will immediately understand what your video is talking about. Include elements like arrows, shape, or icon to guide your viewers' eyes. For example, you made a video about skincare, how you're able to clear your acne with so and so products. You call the product's name. So what you want to do here is, maybe your thumbnail, you write how I clear my acne in 15 days or how I clear my acne in 2 weeks. Then you now get the image of those products you use. So for example, you paste those images on your thumbnails. How I did one of the video that I'm going to teach you guys here. Once someone come across your video just with your thumbnail, the person will be like, oh, this product clear acne in just 15 days. Let me go and watch it and see how she layer the skincare, the amount of the product she used. Thumbnails don't need too many write-up. If not, to be so tacky, to be so rough, and it's not be that attractive in the eye. So if you're still watching me to this point in time, this shows that you love this video and you want to give this video a thumbs up and help me to subscribe to the video. You're giving this video a thumbs up, it's going to circulate the video to a wider range of audience, and that's the only thing you will do for me, please. That's most importantly, keep the design of your thumbnail simple and yet effective.
Click on the search bar to search for YouTube thumbnails. You're going to see varieties of them. Just pick one of these thumbnails. I'm going to pick this, then I'm going to delete all the image here because I want a blank template. Click on replace, click on camera roll to bring in the image you want to use for your thumbnail. Then you do some adjustments for it to fit in what you want to do. So here I'm going to show you guys a trick. Like most time, if I don't have the background of my image and I want to get a background, I usually like adjust it in such a way that I'm going to remove my hair. Then I'm going to place another picture on my thumbnails. I don't know if it makes sense. Just play around. Okay, I'm going to click on camera roll to import another image I'm going to be placing here as my thumbnail image. So this is it. I'm going to do some adjustments here. Click on text, click on heading to add in a title to your thumbnail. Once you're done adding your text, next here, let's go and get an image from Google. So you go to Google, you search for the image or the product you want to talk about in your video. What you're going to do next, you're going to screenshot or you download that image to your gallery. Once you download that image to your gallery, you're going to import that video. You're going to add that video as an overlay. Import the image on Canva. Then you're going to click on remove BG to remove the background of this image. Once you remove the background of the image, you place this image in any part of your thumbnails. So this is how it will look like. Let's delete everything to get a blank image. Click on color to select any color of your choice. You're going to select any color of your choice or the color of your brand. Now let's delete this write-up like we did in the first one. Add in our image, we'll click on elements. For example, maybe our video is all about how we grow our YouTube subscriber in a month or how we grow our view in a month. So we want to show our analytics on the screen of our thumbnail. Now go to this element, you type in laptop image. So many images will pop out. You choose one that you like. Then you place that image on your thumbnail. Adjust it and size it the way you want it to be on your thumbnail. You can place it anywhere. Depends on how you want your thumbnail to. So I'm going to do that right now. Next, we are going to go to Google, search for YouTube analytics. Then you click on image. Then you're going to see so many options here. Depends on what you want to talk about on your video. You're going to just pick. I'm going to screenshot, download it. Then I'm going to crop it this way so I can get what I'm looking for. You will notice that the first image I used was not a 16:9. So I had to look for one that has the 16:9 ratio to screenshot. So that's what I'm doing again right here. So once you want to do this, make sure you're trying to look for a ratio of 16:9 so to fit the laptop screen. We are back to our Canva. We are going to then upload that image. We are going to adjust it to fit in the laptop screen. Next, we'll click on text. Then we're going to add a heading. I'm going to write the title of my thumbnail to give the viewer an idea of what my video is all about. This is the outcome of the thumbnail, but looking at this thumbnail, you'll not understand or know the platform I'm talking about. So what we are going to do here now, we are going to click on elements to search for the YouTube logo, so that we'll know that you're talking about YouTube. Let's pick this particular one. Then we are going to place it in any position of our thumbnail that is free. You can place it anywhere. So whenever someone sees your thumbnail, they will know you're talking about how to achieve 4,000 watch hours in 1 week. So this is just how you can achieve this particular thumbnail.
There's some channel you will visit, you notice that they use the same fonts for all their videos. Those are people that are very intentional with their videos. Like for me, on this my channel here, I'm trying my best to start using a particular font on all my video. If you notice recently, if you watch my thumbnails, you notice that they're somehow similar. When someone visits your channel, it makes your channel organized. You choose a readable font, a font that is bold enough for someone to read and understand what your thumbnail or your video is all about. Use facial expression to invoke emotion in your thumbnails. Like you see, there are some thumbnails you see the image, the picture of the person. The facial expression of the picture will push you to go and watch that video, will bring out that curiosity. You want to understand why did he or she create this facial expression. I mean, something must be going on. Let me go and watch this video. In conclusion of this video, remember, a great thumbnail is your first impression. Design a thumbnail that tells a story and invites clicks to your video. Try to experiment and find your style. Don't just like, this is the pattern, this is the pattern. Try to experiment, try to know what's work. There's this new feature YouTube just introduced. It enables you to create like 3 different thumbnails for a particular video. So once you create those 3 different thumbnails, once you're uploading your video on YouTube here, you're going to upload those 3 different thumbnails. Then YouTube is going to now help you to circulate those thumbnails. The ones that did well, that is the one YouTube is going to leave on your video permanently. So I've been doing that recently and it has been so helpful to me. Right now, I now know that my own suggestion, thumbnail that I put on my heart, I put on my mind and my soul to do, at the end of the day, it's not the one that people are clicking to. It's the one that I just did just like that. What am I trying to say? I'm trying to say that try to give yourself that option. Whenever you're uploading your video, try to upload like 3 thumbnails to pick the best thumbnail for your video. And if you're still watching us at this point in time, this shows that you enjoyed this video and it was helpful to you. If you found this video helpful, please give this video a thumbs up so that it can be circulated to a wider range of audience. And also, if you've got a valuable information from this video, you want to subscribe to the video and become part of our community. And let me know in the comment section if you want me to create a more detailed video on how to upload 3 different thumbnails here on YouTube. If you're interested in that, just write in the comment section thumbnail and I'm going to create a full detailed video concerning that. So you want to help me to share this video to a creator on YouTube that is struggling with their thumbnails. You want to help me to share this video. And also see you all in my next video. Bye bye.